On problem 40, we're calculating a GPA, where an A is 4 points, a B is 3 points, a C is 2 points, a D is 1 point, and an F is 0. The GPA is calculated by multiplying the number of credit hours for a course with the number that's assigned to the grade the student made. And then we add up these numbers we have from the multiplication. Now this sum we get is called the total number of quality points. After we have that sum, we'll add up the total number of hours the student took. We'll divide the quality points by the total number of hours, and there you have the GPA. This particular student took 4 classes. In the first class, the student made a B, so that's 3 points. That class was worth 3 credit hours. So what we do is multiply 3 times 3, and we get 9. For that first class, the student had 9 quality points. The second class, the student made a B, that's 3 points. This was a 5-hour class. 3 times 5 is 15. So for that second class, student had 15 quality points. In the third class, a student made a B, that's 3 points. That class was 3 hours, so 3 times 3 is 9. The GPA, or the quality points for that class, is 9. The fourth class, student made a C. A C is 2 points. 2 times 4 equals 8. So in that class, the student earned 8 quality points. I'm going to box this off and write quality points. That is what it's called on your transcript. Add up those numbers to get the total number of quality points for the semester. 9 plus 15 plus 9 plus 8 is 41. Student had 41 quality points. We have to find the number of hours the student took for the semester. 3 plus 5 plus 3 plus 4. 3 plus 5 is 8. 8 plus 3 is 11. 11 plus 4 is 15. The student took a 15-hour load. To find the GPA for the semester, we do 41 divided by 15. 41 divided by 15 is 2.73, a repeating 3. The directions say round to the nearest hundredth. The nearest hundredth, that's the second decimal place. 2 places after the decimal. Now the third digit would be a 3. Since that is smaller than 5, we just drop it off. 2.73 is the GPA. Now, sometimes I'll look at the work students have done when this problem appears on a test. And a student might come in and say, I'd like to kind of look at the test, I'd like you to look at it first before you come on in, but sometimes I'll look at it like, look at this question, and the student may have answered 3.2. How do you know 3.2 is not the correct answer for this? Think about your answers. Yes. Because if the student had a 3.2, they're not going to have a GPA that is higher than every grade they earn. That's not possible. As I look at the grades and I see there are B's and C's, I would expect the GPA to be between 2 and 3. closer to 3 because this student had more B's than C's.